Discover the ultimate tools to transform your outdoor space with these genius garden inventions everyone should have. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or a beginner, these innovative gadgets and tools make gardening easier, faster, and more enjoyable. From smart watering systems to ergonomic tools and space-saving solutions, these inventions are designed to boost productivity and bring new life to your garden. Get ready to revolutionize your gardening experience. KOMOK. KOMOK, priced at $193.68, offers powerful cordless electric pruning shears designed for efficiency and comfort. Engineered to cut branches up to 40 mm thick, they feature sharp, durable SK5 high-carbon steel blades. With 6 to 8 hours of battery life and an ergonomic handle, they reduce fatigue during extended use, ideal for gardening, vineyards, or plantations. A built-in safety switch enhances user protection. KOMOK shears are especially praised by users with arthritis for their ease of use. Beyond tools, KOMOK also crafts bespoke furniture and lighting, blending precision engineering with elegant design. WILLOW X. WILLOW X is a next-generation outdoor robot by Eve, priced at $312.49 for early access. Designed for lawn care, flower beds, and patio maintenance, it offers smart gardening assistance without wires or external sensors. Controlled entirely through a smartphone app, WILLOW X adapts to your needs, acting as a personal gardening companion. It's built for flexibility and personalization, with potential for crop harvesting in future updates. Pre-orders are open now on the Eve website, with full deliveries expected in 2025. WILLOW X redefines outdoor automation for modern tech-savvy gardeners. Petal and Wonder Blocks. Petal and Wonder Blocks, $129, form a smart nature observatory designed to reconnect people with backyard biodiversity. Petal is an AI-powered camera that identifies over 2,000 species of birds, pollinators, and plants, and creates narrated mini-documentaries. Wonder Blocks is a modular habitat system offering bee shelters, a hummingbird feeder, and a magnetic trellis for plants. Built with durable, sustainable materials, it provides both shelter and food. Integrated via a smartphone app, the system allows users to monitor wildlife, promote conservation, and create a thriving ecosystem right at home. Dynatrap. The Dynatrap insect trap, $21.84, offers chemical-free, whisper-quiet protection against mosquitoes, flies, moths, and other flying pests. It uses a three-way system: UV light and optional. C. O2. Release attract insects. A quiet fan traps them in a cage and they dehydrate within 24 hours. Suitable for indoor and outdoor use, it covers up to 1 acre and is weather resistant. The removable catch basket makes cleaning simple, and no propane or attractants are needed. Dynatrap is safe, low maintenance, and effective without harming beneficial insects like bees or butterflies. Gardena Bulb Planter. The Gardena Bulb Planter, priced at $24.91, is a handy tool designed for effortless and precise flower bulb planting. It features a built-in depth scale for accurate planting, an automatic handle release for easy soil removal, and a specially shaped handle for comfortable use. Its Duraplast coating provides excellent corrosion protection, ensuring durability and long-term performance. This planter allows convenient one-handed operation and is ideal for gardeners seeking speed and accuracy. Backed by a 25-year warranty, the Gardena Bulb Planter combines practicality, reliability, and ergonomic design in one compact tool. Oasa R1. The Oasa R1 was a high-tech robotic reel mower launched on Kickstarter for $1,199, offering features like LiDAR vision navigation, 3D auto mapping, and self-sharpening reel blades for a precise, healthy cut. Controlled via a smartphone app, it supported smart home integration and had an adjustable cutting height from 0.8 to 4 inches. It boasted IPX7 water resistance and a 7,800 mAh battery for up to 2 hours of runtime. Despite its innovation, Oasa Robotics shut down due to production delays, limited mowing range, and financial struggles, making the R1 no longer available for purchase. InstaBrace. The InstaBrace, priced at $66.64, is a versatile bracket system for building raised garden beds without tools. Designed for simplicity, it allows users to slide standard lumber into decorative steel brackets. No nails, screws, or bolts required. Perfect for gardeners of all skill levels, it offers fast, tool-free assembly and easy portability. Beds can be disassembled and moved effortlessly, and the size or shape is customizable using different wood lengths. Compatible with various lumber types, InstaBrace is available in artistic designs like Dragonfly and Sun, adding both function and flair to your gardening space. Raber Patio Glider Dynatrap. The Raber Patio Glider, priced at $218.99, delivers a smooth, relaxing gliding motion and is built for comfort and durability. Featuring a low-profile base, high backs, and optional armrests, it's easy to access and offers excellent support. With space for 1 or 2 people per side, it's ideal for various outdoor settings, including retirement homes. Some models include a wide canopy for sun protection. Designed with safety, versatility, and low maintenance in mind, Raber gliders combine functionality with style, making them a great addition to any patio or garden space. Root Assassin. The Root Assassin, $49.78, is a hybrid garden shovel and saw perfect for cutting through roots, weeds, and tough soil. Its serrated, double-edged carbon steel blade slices in both directions, pushing in and pulling out. With a forward turn step for better leverage and a lightweight powder-coated design, it's ideal for digging, landscaping, and even metal detecting. Available in 48-inch D-grip or 58-inch straight handle versions, it offers comfort and power. The sharpenable teeth and optional lifetime replacement promise add extra value, making it a reliable, durable tool for serious gardeners. Hoselink Sprinkler Top of Form. The Hoselink 9 pattern sprinkler, Australian dollars 79.90, offers a versatile watering solution ideal for gardens of all shapes and sizes. With 9 spray patterns, including soaker, arc, square, and half moon, you can precisely target specific areas to prevent water wastage. Its durable metal base ensures stability during use, while the adjustable coverage reaches up to 6 meters, depending on water pressure. The sprinkler comes pre-fitted with a 12mm Hoselink accessory connector and is easily adaptable for non-Hoselink systems. Quick to use and efficient, it's perfect for awkward or uniquely shaped garden spaces. RobinsNote. The RobinsNote, $338, is an eco-friendly, modular bird feeder designed for reusability and recyclability. Unlike traditional feeders, it minimizes food waste and deters unwanted animals by keeping birdseed fresh and secure. Its innovative construction ensures durability, while the solar-powered battery eliminates the need for disposable energy sources, making it an environmentally conscious option. Ideal for bird enthusiasts and nature lovers, RobinsNote combines smart design with sustainability, helping users reduce their ecological footprint while enjoying backyard birdwatching. A perfect blend of function and green innovation in one sleek, reliable unit. Johnny's Hand Transplanter. The Johnny's Hand Transplanter, $124, is a rugged, lightweight tool designed for fast, efficient transplanting, all from a comfortable standing position. Ideal for seedling plugs up to 2 inches in diameter, it features one-handed operation, an adjustable depth gauge for uniform planting, and a foot-activated mechanism to open holes effortlessly. Built with a square steel tube and weight-saving slots, it offers strength without bulk. This ergonomic tool reduces strain from kneeling or bending and is perfect for gardeners seeking speed and comfort. Its innovative, patent-pending design makes transplanting easier than ever. VOGT Geo Injector. The VOGT Geo Injector enhances soil health by injecting air and soil amendments at varying depths with precision. Equipped with a 20-litre buffer tank, adjustable injection pressure, 2 to 7 bar, and pneumatic circulation, it ensures consistent aeration and material distribution. Suitable for residential, commercial, and large-scale applications, it operates within a 10-metre radius and attaches easily to storage or transport units. Models like the Geo Injector Mini and Pro offer specialised features, from electric remote control to precise dosage. Its durable build, user-friendly design, and low surface impact make it ideal for landscaping, agriculture, and urban tree care. Edge Right, top of form. The Edge Right metal landscape edging, $50 US, is a durable and stylish solution for defining garden beds, lawns, or tree borders. Made from weather-resistant Core 10 steel, it naturally develops a rustic patina over time, blending beautifully with outdoor settings. Its 48-inch strips feature sharp, serrated teeth that easily hammer into soil without the need for special tools. Ideal for DIYers, it offers clean lines, corner clips for precise angles, and can double as a root barrier or raised bed edge. Edge Right ensures long-lasting structure with minimal maintenance for any landscape project. LawnVigor Aerator Shoes. The LawnVigor Aerator Shoes, $44.99, offer a simple and affordable solution for lawn care. Built with a 5mm thick metal sole and heat-treated, bend-resistant spikes, they easily penetrate compacted soil to boost air, water, and nutrient absorption. A non-clogging, hollowed-out design ensures smooth operation, while adjustable straps provide a secure fit over any footwear. Fully assembled and ready to use, they help promote thicker, greener grass with every step. Ideal for DIY lawn maintenance, these shoes are durable, effective, and perfect for improving lawn health without expensive equipment or professional services.